If you are completely new to Zoho CRM and want to understand how to use it from scratch, this guide will walk you through the basics in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Zoho CRM is a powerful tool used to manage customers, track sales, and organize business activities. In this video, I'll explain the essential steps so you can start using it without any confusion. First, go to the Zoho CRM website and sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. Once you enter the dashboard, you will see different modules like leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. These are the core sections where you will manage your data. Start by adding a lead. A lead is a potential customer who has shown interest in your product or service. Go to the Leads module and click on Create Lead. Enter basic details like name, email, phone number, and company. This helps you keep all potential customers organized in one place. Next, when a lead becomes more interested, you can convert it into a contact and account. Contacts represent actual customers, while accounts represent the company they belong to. You can do this by clicking on the Convert option inside a lead record. Now move to the Deals module. This is where you track your sales opportunities. Create a deal, assign it to a contact, set the value, and define the stage like negotiation or closed one. This helps you monitor your sales pipeline. You can also schedule activities like calls, meetings, or tasks directly inside Zoho CRM. This keeps your follow-ups organized and ensures you don't miss important actions. In short, start by adding leads, convert them into contacts, track deals, and manage activities to stay organized and improve your sales process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials like this.